Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I am just back from Seattle at the Fluid Art Experience, and I had the best time. I've been to several of these conferences now. This was the best one so far. The attendees, the instructors, the sponsors, everybody was just in the peak best mode possible. We had such a great time. We learned so much. We had so much fun painting with everybody. I cannot wait to do it again. In fact, I'm maybe even more excited about PourCon in Las Vegas this August. I'm so excited to get started and show y'all this new technique that Fluid Art Co. is in production right now. They have sent me the prototype and I am playing with it, and it is going to be so much fun. I can't wait to teach this class. The first class actually has sold out and they've opened up a second one. So if you're thinking about coming to PourCon, make sure you get those tickets soon before all of the classes sell out. But today I'm going to do another set of, well, the first one is going to be a reverse flower dip like Fiona does. And then the second one is going to be the exact same thing, but I'm not going to do the dip. I'm just going to wreck the lines and spin it out like I did in my last video. So let me explain to you my colors. This is Amsterdam Pearl White, and this is Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet, and Amsterdam Ultramarine Violet Light. And then I have mixed up a TLP, This Little Piggy, called Twilight. It's a nice kind of raspberry metallic color, but it has a violet shift to it. It's really beautiful. I can't wait to see how this one dries. It is a little bit paler than it shows in the container here, and that's because my pouring medium is kind of a milky white. My pouring medium is Floetrol, PVA glue, kind of like Elmer's glue all, and gloss varnish. So it comes out kind of a milky, it's a little milkier on transparent colors like this, but it does dry, it will dry darker like this. So then I have some leftover blues that I'm going to use as my base coat. So on this first one, I will do the reverse dip using a bandana, and I'm going to put down a base coat, put down my dessert cup here, and then I'll pour the colors individually one at a time until I get about this size. Then I'll put the bandana over top of it and pull it up. And after doing some wrecking and everything, yeah. So I will put on some music for you and get started.
Days of romantic prose and lilac wine. Nights out under the sky, watching stars align. Days of making sweet honey, Melissa. As warm as your breath on my chest, so calm. Now, baby, let the summer breeze carry us away. Let the summer breeze carry us away. To a place where the sun always shines Let's be the change we wanna see.
What lies on the horizon, horizon before us? My heartbeat calls your name. Can anybody feel the same? Covered by the twilight, it's alright. Again. Tell me, when does it end? heartbeat calls your name. Covered by the starlight, it's alright.
Okay, so this is one of the things that just fascinates me with fluid art. I did both of these paintings with the exact same colors. I layered them onto the canvas the exact same way. Same base coat, same pattern, everything. The only thing I did differently was on this one, I reverse dipped it using a bandana. On this one, I just wrecked it out a little more and then spun it out. One change can make two completely different paintings. So here's the reverse dip. I didn't get any of the cells and lacing like Fiona gets, but I still really love it. This Amsterdam Pearl White gives it a beautiful glow. That TLP, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see how that dries. I love the way that it's blended with the permanent blue violet. And there's so much transparency in it. It's so soft and delicate and beautiful. I love the way that the base coat color, the blue, came up there in the center. I'm still not convinced whether I should have did a balloon dip in the middle. It's a little messy in the center, but other than that, I really love this one. I think it's beautiful. And then this one, look at that. A lot more structured, very defined lines. Definitely looks like petals on a flower. Again, I didn't balloon dip the center. I liked the swirl, the the swirl in the center. But I did pull out, using a very small stick, I pulled out some of those petals so that they weren't all round. I wanted some of them to be sharp edges. I like these that are round here, but I also wanted some that were kind of sharp and grown out. I think this was beautiful too. So again, which do you like better? Do you like the dip, or do you like the wrecked and spun version? I think I'm going with this one again, just like I did last time. I think this is my preference, is the clear defined lines. And I love the motion in this one, but I do love the softness of this one and the way that the colors blend yeah, it's beautiful too. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for dry results. So here we have the dry results. I really love this. In fact, I'm super happy that I used that pearl white. I don't know if you can see, maybe if I come around this way, get some light reflecting on it. This pearl white dried a little transparent, but it also has like a soft glow to it. Not like a metallic shine, but like a glow. And it reflects back almost like a silver. It's very, very interesting. And I love the motion and the lines in this one. I like how some of these petals are round and some of them are sharp. I think that's really cool. I love the swirled motion here in the center is really cool. The colors are great. It dried beautifully. That permanent blue violet looks almost black in this light. Yeah, I really like this one. And then this one is the reverse dip. I'm not happy with that center at all. The more I look at it, the more I wish I had done a balloon dip instead of just a finger dip in the center. I think it would have been better. But I do still love the softness of it. And I just think it's fascinating how these are exactly the same except for the dip. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you'd like to see more, and come back and see me sometime.